What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top stocks you should be watching for serious long-term growth. These companies are shaping the future with their innovative products and services. Whether you're just starting to invest or you're already a seasoned pro, these stocks are worth considering for your portfolio, so let's jump right in. Alright, let's kick things off with the future of energy: renewables. The shift towards renewable energy sources is not just a necessity, but an exciting opportunity for innovation and growth. Companies like NextEra Energy and Brookfield Renewable Partners are heavily invested in solar, wind, and energy storage. These companies are at the forefront of a revolution that promises to reshape our energy landscape. This isn't just a passing trend, this is the future. Imagine cities powered by clean energy, where the air is fresher and the skies are clearer. This vision is becoming a reality faster than we might think. Investing in renewable energy is like investing in the planet. It's a commitment to a sustainable future, ensuring that the next generations inherit a world that is not only livable, but thriving. Countries around the world are setting ambitious goals to reduce their carbon emissions. Governments are recognizing the urgent need to act and are implementing policies to support the growth of renewable energy. NextEra Energy is already a leader in wind and solar energy generation in the US. Their projects are setting benchmarks for efficiency and sustainability, proving that renewable energy can be both reliable and profitable. Brookfield Renewable Partners is a global player with investments in hydro, wind, and solar power. Their diverse portfolio ensures a balanced approach to energy generation, harnessing the power of nature in multiple forms. Renewable energy is not just good for the environment, it's good for business. Companies that invest in green energy are seeing significant returns, and the market for renewable energy is only expected to grow. The future is indeed bright, and it's green. Coming in at number 8 on our list of top stocks to invest in for the future is a company that's crucial to the future of technology: ASML. This Dutch company might not be a household name, but its impact on the tech industry is monumental. They make the machines that manufacture advanced microchips, powering everything from smartphones to self-driving cars. These microchips are the brains behind the devices we use every day, enabling them to perform complex tasks with ease. Without ASML, our tech world would come to a screeching halt. Imagine a world where production lines are silent and innovation is stifled. That's the reality we'd face without their cutting-edge technology. They're the only company that can make extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, or EUV machines. These machines are essential for producing the next generation of microchips, which are smaller, faster, and more efficient. These machines create the most advanced chips with incredibly tiny transistors. The precision required to manufacture these chips is astounding, and ASML's technology is at the forefront of this innovation. The demand for these chips is skyrocketing as the world becomes more digital. From artificial intelligence to the Internet of Things, the need for powerful microchips is growing exponentially. ASML essentially has a monopoly on this critical technology. Their dominance in the market is unmatched, making them a key player in the tech industry. If you're looking for a company positioned for massive growth, ASML is one to watch. Their stock has been on a steady rise, reflecting their pivotal role in the future of technology. Investors are keenly aware of the potential that ASML holds, making it a hot topic in financial circles. Let's switch gears and talk about a company known for its stability and long-term growth: Berkshire Hathaway. This is Warren Buffett's company, a massive conglomerate with a diverse portfolio. Buffett's investment philosophy focuses on undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. This strategy has paid off big time for Berkshire Hathaway shareholders. The company has consistently outperformed the market. Investing in Berkshire Hathaway means investing in a diversified portfolio. This diversification reduces risk and provides stability. If you're looking for a stock built to last, Berkshire Hathaway is worth considering. Now let's talk about a company that needs no introduction: Apple. Apple is much more than just shiny gadgets. They've built an entire ecosystem of hardware, software, and services. Once you're plugged into the Apple ecosystem, it's hard to leave. Apple keeps innovating and expanding their product line. The wearable tech market is exploding, and Apple is leading the charge with the Apple Watch. Apple is always looking to the future and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. That's why they'll continue to be a dominant force in the tech industry. Let's talk about the parent company of Google, Alphabet. Google dominates search and online advertising. They're expanding into new areas like self-driving cars with Waymo and cloud computing with Google Cloud. Alphabet is investing in artificial intelligence, healthcare, and sustainability. Every time you use Google Search, watch a YouTube video, or check your Gmail, you're contributing to Alphabet's bottom line. They're also investing in world-changing technologies like AI for disease diagnosis. Alphabet is more than just a data-hungry giant, they're creating a more sustainable future. Let's move on to another company that needs no introduction, Amazon. Amazon's reach extends far beyond online shopping. Amazon Web Services, AWS, powers a huge chunk of the internet. AWS is perfectly positioned to capitalize on the growth of cloud computing. Amazon is also making big moves in logistics and artificial intelligence. They're dipping their toes into the healthcare industry with Amazon Pharmacy and Amazon Care. Amazon is constantly innovating and expanding into new markets. If you're looking for a company at the forefront of multiple industries, Amazon is a solid bet. Let's talk about another tech giant, Microsoft. Under CEO Satya Nadella, Microsoft has shifted its focus to cloud computing. Their cloud platform, Azure, is a major player in the cloud computing space. Azure is poised for continued growth as businesses rely more on cloud services. Microsoft is also a powerhouse in enterprise software with Office 365. Their gaming division includes the popular Xbox console and Xbox Live. Microsoft is constantly innovating in areas like artificial intelligence and augmented reality. If you're looking for a tech giant firing on all cylinders, Microsoft is a solid pick. Let's talk about a company riding the e-commerce wave, Shopify. Shopify makes it easy for anyone to set up and run their own online store. They've become the go-to solution for businesses of all sizes. Shopify offers a suite of tools and services to help businesses succeed online. They're constantly adding new features and integrations. As e-commerce continues to boom, Shopify is perfectly positioned to benefit. They're the backbone of countless online businesses. If you're looking for a company at the forefront of e-commerce, Shopify is one to watch. Let's talk about a company synonymous with electric vehicles, Tesla. Tesla has disrupted the automotive industry with their electric cars. Their vision goes beyond just building electric cars. Tesla is a major player in renewable energy with SolarCity and energy storage solutions. Their autopilot system is one of the most advanced self-driving systems. Tesla is leading the charge in autonomous driving technology. Despite controversies, Tesla has a bold vision for the future. If you believe in electric vehicles and renewable energy, Tesla is a company to watch. Let's wrap things up with a company that is not just shaping the future of gaming, but also revolutionizing AI, data science, and the metaverse, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is best known for their GPUs, which are essential for high-performance gaming. These GPUs provide the power needed to run the latest games at the highest settings, delivering stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. Gamers around the world rely on NVIDIA's technology to get the best possible experience. But gaming is just the tip of the iceberg. NVIDIA's GPUs are also used in data centers, where they handle massive amounts of data and complex computations. Scientists use NVIDIA-powered equipment for groundbreaking research, from climate modeling to genetic analysis. In the field of AI, NVIDIA's GPUs are the backbone of many advanced algorithms, enabling everything from natural language processing to image recognition. NVIDIA's technology extends into everyday life as well. Their GPUs power the algorithms behind self-driving cars, making autonomous driving a reality. Facial recognition systems, which are becoming increasingly common in security and personal devices, also rely on NVIDIA's powerful hardware. In the medical field, professionals use NVIDIA-powered diagnostic tools to analyze complex data and improve patient outcomes. NVIDIA is not working alone. They collaborate with major tech companies to develop cutting-edge AI-powered solutions. These partnerships are driving innovation across multiple industries, from robotics to cloud computing. NVIDIA's influence is felt far and wide as they continue to push the boundaries of what technology can achieve. In the realm of the metaverse, NVIDIA is a major player. They are developing both the hardware and software needed to create fully immersive virtual worlds. Their technology is enabling new forms of social interaction, entertainment, and even work, all within the digital realm. The GPUs developed by NVIDIA are essential for creating these realistic and immersive experiences. Whether it's a virtual reality game or a digital workspace, NVIDIA's technology ensures that the experience is as lifelike and engaging as possible. If you're looking for a company at the forefront of AI, data science, and the metaverse, NVIDIA is definitely one to watch. Their continuous innovation and collaboration with other tech giants make them a key player in shaping the future of technology. So there you have it, my top 10 stocks to invest in for the future. These companies are driving the innovations that will shape our world in the years to come. But remember, investing always comes with risks. Do your own research, consider your financial goals, and don't invest your life savings based on a single video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which stocks you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.